We got a package from Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Any guesses what it is?
No.
Well, it's a new wind fairing from Southern Style Offroad.
Ooh.
As you can see, it has a cutout. This will hold a 40-inch light bar. So we're looking to put this on our existing roof rack, add some more light for night rides, and we're looking for recommendations. So we're asking you to leave a comment below with your recommendations on which light bar to go with. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel.
What the heck? Did you see that?
No, what is it?
Grab the camera. I saw something like go across here.
What'd you see?
I don't know. What is it?
What is that?
What the heck? Wait.
Is that a plane?
What is that?
Do you think that's... Is that from McDill? It's gone.
Wait. Did it just go away?
I have no idea what that was. Maybe it's one of those
Like a moving star.
UFOs.
Send it!
Oh yeah.
Yes, sir!
Woo!